Hi guys, welcome back. Let's see how you did. So if we take a look at my answer here, let's see if we have it right. So the first one is given. And then here you notice that you're going to get rid of -1. So you're going to add 1 to both sides here. So you're doing +1 to both. You can write this little note if you want. And that's how you get 12. So to go from here, you did addition property. Then you go from number 2 to number 3 statement right here. Notice that this parenthesis is gone, so you did distributive property. And again, you just basically just multiply both sides by, you multiply it out by 3. And then to go from here to here, you notice that this 3x is gone. So here you subtract 3x both sides. Again, you can show work if you want. -3x to both sides, and that's what's happening. And then from there, let's see, to go from here to here, notice that this 12 disappears, so that makes sense. You -12 on both sides here. So there's 2 subtraction property in a row. This happened. And that's how you get -6. And to go from number 5 to number 6 statement, notice that the 2 disappears, so you divide both sides by 2. So you have -3 equal x. And find from -3 equal x, now become s equal -3. Now, if you don't know the answers to this one here, it's never going to be the word proof. Okay? So write a note here. Proof is not a reason for the last one. Okay? This one, you don't need to write it, but just for those who did not pay attention, proof is not here. You don't write proof here, never. So you go from 6 to 7, what you did was you switch it around. So here you're doing symmetric property. Okay? So again, be aware of that. In fact, you should go back to the second page here and write the word symmetric, swish. Okay? Alright. So this is just swish size. Okay? Just note right there. Okay? Alright. So let me go ahead and try another example for you guys and see how you did. Let's take a look at this. Now it seems a little complicated, but if you work your way through it, you should be able to do it. So the first one, it's given. All is going to be there. To solve it, looks like we need to get rid of the fraction here. Okay, let's get rid of a 2 here. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 here. So if I multiply both sides by 2 here, I'm going to get x -3 and times 2 here, so 6 plus x. So here I'm multiplying both sides by 2. So multiplication property. So here I'm going times 2 to both sides. Okay, so this will give my decimal. If you need to, just write a note here showing that, hey, this is what's happening. X -3 over 2, you have 6 plus x over 5, and what you want to do was you want to multiply both sides by 2 here. So this cancel, therefore we got x -3, 2 times 6 plus x parentheses over 5. Okay. So over here, I want to get rid of this 5 here to get rid of that fraction. So I'm going to do another multiplication property here. So I'm going to multiply both sides here by whatever that bottom fraction is, 5. So I'm going to times this by 5 for both sides here. Okay, you can use a dot or a time symbol for it. And we do that and multiply this, so it'll be 5 x -3, and here we have 2, 6 plus x. Okay. So again, you can write a quick note here if you want. So right here, what you did was you multiply both sides here by 5. Use different color pencil if you want. Just cancel out, and that's what you get. Okay. So now to go from 3 to 4, you're going to have to get rid of that parenthesis. So we're going to do distributive property. So you're going to get 5x minus 15 equal 12 plus 2x. So here we did distributive property. Okay. Again, if you want to show them or write a note for yourself, you can easily just do this. Just show an L that you're multiplying out, therefore you get 5x minus 15. You can do that same thing for that one. Alright, then the rest become a lot more easier. We need to get rid of the x. We have x on both sides, so let's get rid of this 2x. So we're going to get 3x minus 15 equals 12. So here you did subtraction property. You are subtracting 2x to both sides. And then from there you add 15 to both sides here. So 3x equal 27, so addition property. Okay. And then we ran out of space, but we can add another one. So we go ahead and divide this by 3. So s equals 9. So division property. Okay. So that's not too bad. The closer question is going to be for you guys to do. Let's see if you get it. And the bottom one, what's the relationship between conjecture theorem and two-column proof? Well, conjecture, you use that conjecture to change it to theorem. And that two-column proof is to prove that that conjecture is true. That you can prove it, conjecture into a theorem. So you can write that statement there. And before I let you guys go ahead and do your work, take a look at the last note here. When you see a problem like this and you want to combine these two together, this one right here, so it can be 5x plus 6 equals 46. The word for that is like term. Okay, so you can write that definition or the reason for that. It's called like term. Other than that, that's a two-column proof. Try the closer question and let your teacher take a look.